Tim here with the Jacks of all trades. And as you can see, we've got a lot done. We got stem walls poured, we got some framing done, we got floor joists ran over all this steel up here, and we've got a lot more going on. We've got some sheeting up on the second floor. You can walk most of the lower floor here, and they're forming up for the rest of the stem walls that we're going to pour later this week. Let's go on inside and check out all the stuff they got done. All right, here is what it looked like before. It was about a 2,800 square foot house before. You can see it had kind of a wraparound porch, and here we are coming through the new front door. How exciting. We're gonna come into the main dining room, great room area. If you look, that's the wall that separates the laundry room and master. Got some stairs built over there, and this will be the kitchen. And here's my favorite spot, to stand over here by where the old corner of the house was. You can see those beams stretching all the way across with the floor joists right on top. There will be no walls in the middle of that space, and it's 42 feet, so that's a great room. We can see we got a lot of the sheeting done. There's a couple doors over there going to the new sections, but as we come up these stairs here, you can see we got some of the floor joists ran and some of the sheeting done up here. We're waiting on the rest of the stem walls so we can run the rest of the floor joists, but we are making progress on this. So we come back down to the bottom of the stairs. This is the wall that goes in. This will be the laundry room here, and then that'll be the master bedroom and bathroom over there. All of that is part of it. There's the forms on the new wall. See, they're stretching out. That'll all be part of the porch. Here we are coming in with our favorite. I love these drone shots. As you can see, we've got a lot. You can see how much bigger this is than that old house with all those stem walls and all that concrete that got poured. The office and the outdoor kitchen there. Master bedroom here. I mean, we really did get a lot of stuff done on this. Over the next couple of weeks, it'll move a little slower until we get the last of the concrete pour, and then we will be flying. Hopefully we'll be doing the roof in a month. We'll be doing roof siding and putting in the windows and doors. All the material's already been delivered. It's ready to go. We'll get those slabs right across there, across the front of the building there. We're going to have, that's all going to be one great big slab. As you can see, this place is going to be pretty awesome. If you want to see the rest, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and put the bell on so you don't miss any of it.